Hey, this is Logan Saunders, the Practice Power Washing here in Greenville, South Carolina. So just on our job today, we came across this vinyl door and brick that's covered in some rust stains, which is draining from a air conditioning unit, a condensation drain, which is just a metal pipe that'll have rust on the inside, and when it drips down on doors and things like this, we see this rust build up and it turns orange and covers everything. And so we've already hit it a little bit. What you see right here was our treatment with just 100% pure concentration of the F9 Barc product. Right here we have a 6-to-1 dilution of it, and so we're going to continue to treat it, just direct application. So as you can see, this is already just attacking this rust, taking it right away. I actually misspoke at first. This is a 50-50 dilution of our Barc F9. So 50-50 right on there. You can see it takes all of that rust right off and cleans up your vinyl and gets your rust stains off. So we've tried a few different products. Sometimes it's just trial and error to see what works best. But this is what works in this case, getting rust off vinyl doors and brick and stuff like that. So again, this is Logan Saunders of Practice Power Washing in Greenville, South Carolina.